You guys probably remember this keyboard. I unboxed this like very long time ago. Don't know if you can see, it's very dusty. I mean, I did wipe it off, but yeah, it was very dusty, and I also spilled soda, sprayed kind of soda on it. Yeah, it was kind of sticky and stuff, I remember. So what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna take these keys off, and then I'm gonna wash them, and I'm gonna also clean the inner parts, whatever I can get to, and make sure nothing is sticky anymore or dirty anymore, and then we'll put the keys back on. So before I take any action, I want to take a picture of everything, what it looked like before I take this whole thing apart. Now that I have a picture, I can put back all the keys wherever they belong. It's really easy to take these off. You just do this, just take it off, just like that. Okay, so this is what I did. I just took a bottle here and filled it up with water and put some dish soap in it, and I'm gonna let this soak for about like 30 minutes or so. So I actually didn't even need to scrub this or anything, but this is what it looks like. It looks very, very clean. The matte finish all came back. It looks very nice. All the dust and dirt is gone. So I just took them out of the jug here and just gonna let them air dry. Not gonna do anything at all, just let them air dry here on the towel. Here we go. Got a Q-tip here, and I can dry everything up just like this. So this is the interesting part. I'm actually drying them up on the air filter here. The air is coming out of this. This is on settings 2. The power is just enough to just keep them on here and dry ASAP. So I'm just gonna keep them here. So this is what it looks like after plugging this in. All the lights and everything is on, and it looks exactly how it was when it was brand new. Except, I don't know where the A went for Corsair. But other than that, everything is really nice and crisp. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.